In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and view spam messages in Gmail. Understanding how to efficiently manage your inbox is crucial to maintaining a clutter-free and productive email experience. So, let's dive right in and streamline your Gmail usage. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. You can do this by typing gmail.com into the address bar and hitting enter. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your email address followed by your password. Now you're on your Gmail homepage, and you should see your inbox with all your recent emails. To locate your spam messages, look at the left-hand side of the screen where you see a list of folders such as Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. If you don't see the spam folder immediately, you might need to click on More to expand the full list of folders. This should reveal the spam folder among other labels. Click on the spam folder to open it. In the spam folder, you'll find emails that Gmail has automatically filtered out of your primary inbox because they seem suspicious or unwanted. These could include promotional emails, phishing attempts, or other unsolicited messages. It's important to regularly check this folder because, occasionally, legitimate emails might end up here by mistake. Once inside the spam folder, you can scroll through the list of messages. If you come across an email that you recognize and want to move it back to your primary inbox, hover over the email and you'll see a checkbox appear to the left of it. Click on this checkbox to select the email. At the top of the page, you should see a button labeled Not Spam. Click this button and the selected email will be moved back to your inbox. This action also helps Gmail learn which emails you consider important, improving its filtering over time. It's good practice to clean up your spam folder periodically. You can do this by opting to delete all spam messages if you're sure there's nothing important. To do this, find the Delete All Spam Messages Now option at the top of the page and click on it. This will clear the folder and help maintain your email list tidy and manageable. In case you're wondering how long emails stay in the spam folder, Gmail automatically deletes spam emails after 30 days. So there's generally no need to worry about manually deleting every single spam email, unless you prefer to keep your email space as uncluttered as possible. And that's it. You've now learned how to access and manage your spam messages in Gmail efficiently. Remember to check your spam folder occasionally to ensure you're not missing any important messages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.